take another lap around if we can. I could watch every shitty movie known to man. Oh, ain't this grand? I pray this flight don't end. I hope my taxi never comes. I'm fine to wait in line with all my heavy stuff. I'll deal with every stranger asking where I'm from. I hate small talk, but I'll stand here all night long. I hope this elevator breaks. Might accidentally hit the emergency brake. Hit every button just to see how long it takes. From L to A. Love, don't wait up, 'cause I'll be late. Hope you're asleep when I get home. I'd love to see you, but I kinda sorta don't. 'Cause if my airplane never lands, if my taxi never comes, if the elevator breaks, if you're asleep when I get home, you won't have to say out loud what I know I'm gonna hear. You don't really wanna marry me, do you?
That's supposed to be the size of a 777-9 engine.
Dear.
777-8. 777X.
So can I stay here in the air? Can I stay here in the air? Let's just stay a while up here. Let's just stay a while up here. Let's just stay a while up here. I wish this plane would never land. Let's take another lap around if we can. I could watch every shitty movie known to man. Oh, ain't this grand? I pray this flight don't end.